What if turning 100 wasn't a rare milestone, but just the beginning? Scientists around the world are working on powerful new technologies that could completely change how we age and how long we live. From genetic engineering that repairs DNA, to nanorobots that fight disease inside your body, and even brain-computer interfaces that preserve your memory, these aren't just science fiction. They're real innovations being tested and developed right now. And discover how close we really are to unlocking longer, better lives. Genetic engineering, rewriting the code of aging. Imagine a future where we can edit the human body like software, fixing errors in our DNA before they cause disease. That's the promise of genetic engineering, and it's already changing lives. With tools like CRISPR-Cas9, scientists can now target and modify specific genes with astonishing precision. We're not talking about science fiction anymore. In 2019, a woman with sickle cell anemia became the first patient successfully treated using CRISPR. That therapy, now FDA approved and known as Casgevy, marks a major turning point in gene editing medicine. But the real breakthrough lies ahead, using this same technology to slow down aging. Researchers are now targeting genes linked to cell repair, inflammation, and immune function, aiming to prevent age-related diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart failure before they begin. The potential is massive. Think about it. If we can repair genetic flaws, boost cellular resilience, and maintain healthy function at the DNA level, we may not just extend life, we could actually extend quality of life. Genetic engineering could soon move from fixing what's broken to enhancing what already works, delaying aging, improving vitality, and giving us more healthy years to live fully. The science is still emerging, but the foundation is real. This is one invention that could rewrite the future of human longevity, literally at the genetic level. Nanotechnology, healing the body from the inside out. What if tiny machines inside your body could repair cells, destroy diseases, and keep you young? That's the futuristic promise of nanotechnology, and it's already starting to change medicine. At the microscopic level, scientists are developing nanoparticles that can deliver drugs with incredible precision. Take cancer treatment, for example. Instead of blasting the whole body with chemotherapy, nanotech allows targeted delivery right to the tumor, sparing healthy cells and reducing side effects. One FDA-approved example is Doxil, a nanoparticle-based chemo drug used to treat ovarian cancer and other conditions. But that's just the beginning. Researchers are working on nanorobots, machines so small they could travel through your bloodstream, clean out clogged arteries, fight infections, and even repair damaged tissues in real time. Imagine your body being constantly monitored and maintained at the cellular level, like having a team of microscopic doctors on call 24/7. Nanotechnology could also play a key role in anti-aging, delivering rejuvenating therapies or anti-inflammatory agents directly to aging cells. The goal? Stop diseases before they start and maintain your body's function well into old age. The industry is moving fast. In fact, the global nanomedicine market was worth over $350 billion in 2022, and it's only growing. That tells us one thing. Investors and researchers believe this tech is the future. We may not have fully autonomous nanobots repairing us from the inside yet, but the pieces are coming together. And when they do, nanotechnology could transform healthcare from reactive to proactive, helping us live longer, healthier lives from the inside out. Regenerative medicine, growing the future of health. What if, instead of waiting on transplant lists or managing chronic damage, we could simply regrow our organs? That's the promise of regenerative medicine, a field that's rapidly shifting from science fiction to medical reality. At the heart of this innovation are stem cells, remarkable cells that can transform into almost any type of tissue in the body. Scientists are using them to repair damaged hearts, regenerate nerve tissues, and even create functional structures in the lab. One major breakthrough involves kidney organoids, miniature versions of human kidneys grown from stem cells. While they aren't ready to replace full organs yet, they're already being used to study diseases and test new treatments, laying the foundation for fully functional lab-grown organs in the future. We've also seen success stories like bioengineered tracheas and skin grafts being used in human patients. These examples prove that regenerative medicine isn't just theoretical. It's already changing lives. The potential impact is enormous. If we can grow replacement organs from a patient's own cells, we eliminate the risk of rejection and remove the need for donor waiting lists altogether. That could mean longer lives, faster recovery, and far better quality of life, especially for older adults facing age-related organ decline. In the future, regenerative medicine may not just repair what's broken, it could rebuild us from within, offering a powerful tool to extend both lifespan and vitality. Artificial intelligence, predicting and preventing disease before it starts. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's transforming how we stay alive. In healthcare, AI is emerging as a powerful force in predicting, diagnosing, and even preventing disease before symptoms appear. Imagine a system that can scan your medical history, genetic data, and lifestyle patterns to spot risks years before a condition develops. That's already happening. AI-powered platforms are analyzing vast amounts of data to deliver early warnings for diseases like cancer, heart failure, and diabetes, giving doctors a head start and patients a better shot at survival. One major breakthrough? DeepMind's AlphaFold, which solved one of biology's biggest puzzles, predicting how proteins fold. This discovery is unlocking new insights into disease mechanisms and speeding up drug development like never before. AI is also transforming diagnostics. In clinical tests, AI tools have matched or even surpassed human doctors in detecting diseases like breast cancer, with over 90% accuracy. That kind of precision can save lives by catching illness in its earliest, most treatable stage. But it's not just about detection. AI can deliver personalized health recommendations tailored to your unique biology, monitor changes in real time, and adapt to your needs as you age. With global investment in healthcare AI projected to exceed $187 billion by 2030, this technology is moving fast. And as it matures, artificial intelligence could become the brain behind a future where we don't just treat illness, we prevent it entirely. Wearable health tech, your body's new best friend. Wearable health technology has come a long way from step counters and fitness bands. Today's devices are evolving into powerful health monitoring tools that track everything from your heart rhythm and oxygen levels to sleep patterns and stress in real time. Take the Apple Watch, for example. Its ECG feature can detect irregular heartbeats like atrial fibrillation, a major risk factor for stroke, before you feel anything at all. Other wearables, like continuous glucose monitors, are transforming diabetes management, providing instant blood sugar readings without finger pricks. But the future is even more exciting. Researchers are developing wearables that could detect cancer biomarkers, monitor the immune system, and even identify early signs of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, all from your wrist or skin. These devices empower people to catch problems early, make better health decisions, and even alert doctors before a crisis happens. As the technology gets smarter and more personalized, wearables could become your own 24/7 health assistant, constantly working to keep you healthier, longer. In the race to extend life, wearable tech brings prevention and awareness directly to the individual, changing how we live, one heartbeat at a time. Biotechnology, reprogramming life to fight aging. Biotechnology is one of the most powerful tools we have for extending human life, because it works at the source, our biology. This field uses living systems and organisms to create advanced therapies that can repair, regenerate, and enhance the human body. One groundbreaking example is the development of lab-grown red blood cells, which could eventually lead to customized blood transfusions for patients with rare disorders. In late 2022, scientists performed the first-ever human trial using these lab-grown cells, a major leap for personalized medicine. But the real frontier? Biological reprogramming, a technique that aims to reverse aging at the cellular level. By using compounds like Yamanaka factors, researchers have successfully turned back the biological clock in cells, restoring their youthful function in lab models. If scaled to humans, this could mean slowing or even reversing aging itself. Biotechnology also holds promise in treating age-related conditions like arthritis, organ failure, and neurodegenerative diseases by restoring tissue function from within. While much of this is still in early stages, The progress is real, and the potential is massive. With continued research, biotechnology could make aging a treatable condition, not an inevitable decline. Brain-computer interfaces. Boosting the mind to extend life. What if your brain could control technology just by thinking? That's the vision behind brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and it's advancing fast. These devices create a direct link between the human brain and machines, allowing users to control prosthetics, communicate, and even interact with digital systems using only their thoughts. Companies like Neuralink are leading the charge. In 2023, they received FDA approval for human trials, aiming to restore movement in paralyzed patients and eventually enhance memory, cognition, and brain health. But BCIs aren't just for treatment. They could be used to monitor neurological health, detect early signs of Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, and even deliver targeted brain therapies. Imagine technology that not only helps you live longer, but also preserves your mind for decades to come. As this tech evolves, it could radically change what it means to grow old, with a brain that stays sharp as your years add up. Telemedicine, healthcare without the waiting room. Telemedicine has transformed healthcare by making it more accessible, faster, and smarter. What started as video calls with doctors has now evolved into a full digital ecosystem, combining virtual visits, real-time health monitoring, and instant access to medical records. During the COVID-19 pandemic, telemedicine became a lifeline for millions. Now it's a permanent part of modern care. Patients can consult specialists from home, manage chronic conditions remotely, and receive faster diagnoses without stepping into a clinic. Paired with wearable devices, telemedicine allows doctors to monitor vital signs, blood pressure, glucose levels, and more in real time. This proactive care model helps detect issues early, preventing complications and extending healthy life expectancy. As technology improves and internet access expands, telemedicine is helping close healthcare gaps, especially in rural and underserved areas. It's not just convenient, it's becoming essential to living longer, healthier lives. We've just explored 8 groundbreaking inventions, each one pushing the boundaries of what it means to grow older. From gene editing and nanotechnology to brain-computer interfaces and telemedicine, these aren't distant dreams. They're real innovations unfolding in labs and clinics around the world right now. What makes this moment so exciting is that we're not just talking about living longer. We're talking about living better, healthier organs, sharper minds, early detection, personalized care, all powered by the most advanced science humanity has ever seen. Of course, these breakthroughs also raise big questions about access, ethics, and how society adapts when 100 becomes the new 70. But one thing is clear, the future of aging is being rewritten in real time. So what do you think? Which invention are you most excited or skeptical about? Could you see yourself living past 100? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more mind-blowing science, tech, and future-focused videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and here's to a longer, healthier future.